How to recover your suspended account on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your suspended account on TikTok. The very first step is to go on the Google Play Store and make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok so that you won't miss out on any features. Launch TikTok. You will see your profile on the down icon. After tapping on that icon on the top right side, you will see three vertical lines. After that, you will see an interface like this. So among this interface, what you should do is scroll down and then you will see the option of report a problem right here. So it will take you few seconds. After you tap here, you can simply recover your account by tapping on account recovery as well. So if your account is suspended, then when you tap on account in private, it will show you the option of suspended account, and when you tap on it, it will show you the informations and the tips how you can recover your suspended account. Since my account is not suspended, it is not showing me when I tap on account and profile. So I suggest you to tap on account and profile and tap on suspended account while you go here. But if not, then there is other option. What you can do is you can tap on report your problem, and then you can simply tap on chat with us option. Since it is an automated help desk of TikTok, and now you can simply send the message, the problem that you have on TikTok, and it will help you to suggest new ideas, and it will frequently give you the answer, like how when you tap on recover my account, then it will give you the reply then, and when you tap how do I recover my suspended account, then it will give you the reply then as well. Or you can also report the problem on going the others option and state your problem right there and report it, and then TikTok will give you a feedback on about 2 to 3 days, and your problem will be solved just like that. So this is how you do it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Also comment on the comment section below.